Hi, my name's Brian Green and I'm the Columbia College Librarian. In this quick video, I'm just going to introduce myself, show you a couple of different ways to get in contact with me, and invite you to come and visit in the library. So like I said, my name is Brian Green and I'm the librarian. To get some contact information for me, you can click on the directory page at the college website and then search for my last name, which has an E in it, Brian Green. Hit search. There I am. You get a little information about me, and over on the left there is some contact information for me, and you're welcome to give me a call or email or just stop by. And so here are my general office hours. Of course I have meetings and things, so I'm not always here 100% of these hours, but I often am. And I'm also often here on Fridays, but it doesn't have an easy way to add a various time on Fridays, so I just left that one out. But so feel free to call or email or stop by. Another way you can find out some contact information for me is just on the library's homepage. So if you come over and click on the little library button, here's some general information over on the left for contacting the library. There's our regular phone number, and below that this is my direct phone number, and our general hours of when we're open. So we're open some of the longest service hours of any of the areas on campus, especially in the evenings. We're one of the few areas that's open. So if you run into an issue in the evening, feel free to give the library a call, even if it's not a library question, and we'll do the best we can to help you out. So the other thing I just wanted to point out while we were here is some basic information about if you need help. There is you can click on this Get Help link here. And we have a number of different tutorials and videos and information about how to access some of our resources from off campus. So if you have questions about any of those things, feel free to check them out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the library. Again, this is Brian Green, and I am the Columbia College Librarian. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks. Have a great day.